Welcome to the 6th episode in Bowhead's Fit for Life, Fitting for Comfort series. Today, we're going to be taking a look at how to change your seat angle blocks. This is going to affect your seat slope or your dump. Seat angle affects things like stability, your pelvic alignment, and of course, your overall posture and positioning in the era. Remember, your era, your fit, your freedom. To make this change, you're going to need your couple of clean rags, cleaning solution, hammer, tape measure, your feedback sports torque wrench, your T25 Allen key, some anti-seize, and of course, your new seat angle blocks. Once you have all that, it's time to get started.
Step 1, getting ready. This is our longest how-to yet, so you'll want to double check that you have all your tools ready and near you and that you're comfortable. Grab a drink or maybe put on your favorite mindless show. Just make sure it's nothing too engaging, as your focus will be on your era. Now that we're all set, transfer out of your chair. Step 2, prepare to change components. Start by removing your cushion and then your seat from the frame. Now is also a good time to note your performance hub position on the seat rails, as you'll want to reinstall it in a similar position once you've changed your seat angle blocks. You can do this with your tape measure, by taking a picture, or by using a silver Sharpie to mark on your rails. Step 3, loosening the seat screws. Now you'll loosen all 8 or 10 screws on your seat base. If you're working with a 14 or 16-inch seat, remove the 2 frontmost screws. For an 18-inch seat, remove the 4 frontmost screws. As you do this, keep a finger pressed against the nut underneath. This keeps the nut from spinning and prevents it from falling to the floor. For a 14 or 16-inch deep seat, you'll have 2 nuts and 2 spacers, and for an 18-inch deep seat, you'll have 4 nuts and 2 spacers. You'll need all of these when we reinstall, so make sure to place them on a secure surface until you need them next. Step 4, removing the performance hub. Slide the performance hub forward until it comes completely off your seat. If it feels tight, you may need to loosen the seat pan screws a little bit more. Next, using your T25 Allen key, loosen and remove the 2 screws holding each seat angle block to the torsion bar. Step 6, remove the seat angle blocks from the torsion bar. Once the screws are out, you may need to gently tap the angle block off the torsion bar with a hammer. These are fit with a taper, so they may not slide off easily. You'll also notice the angle degree and direction for assembly are etched near the screws on your seat angle block. Step 7, installing our new angle blocks. Now it's time to install the new seat angle blocks. Apply a light, thin layer of anti-seize to the mating surface between the angle block and your torsion bar, and be sure to install these on the correct side. The right block goes on the side with your removable seat lever, and the left block goes on the opposite side. Step 8, tightening your seat angle block. Install one block at a time by reinserting the 2 screws with a fresh strip of blue Loctite and hand tighten them evenly. Because of this taper, it's important not to fully tighten one screw before the other, as this could cause misalignment. Step 9, torquing your screws. Before torquing these screws, we're going to slide the performance hub back onto the seat rails to free up your hands. Then you can torque the screws connecting the seat angle block to the torsion bar to 10 Newton meters. Step 10, repositioning your performance hub. Position your performance hub in the same spot on your seat rails as noted in step 2. Remember, this hub connects your seat to the frame, and moving it forward or back will change your center of gravity. Step 11, tightening your performance hub into place. To secure your performance hub in this location, you'll carefully flip your seat back over while holding the hub in your desired position, and then tighten 2 of the central seat base screws. Next, you'll reinstall the nuts and spacers into the correct holes and reinsert the screws. Step 13, tighten everything. Now you can tighten all of your seat screws by hand, then torque them all to 5 Newton meters. Step 14, put your chair back together and test it out. Reinstall your seat onto your frame and test out your new seat angle. Remember, this new seat angle will affect your rearward stability, so you may need to adjust your center of gravity depending on how this new angle feels. For guidance on center of gravity adjustment, use the link provided in the video description below.
Good work, everyone. Let's quickly recap what we did here. First, we removed your seat and performance hub from your chair. We applied new anti-seize to the new seat angle blocks, reinstalled everything, and put your performance hub and seat back on your frame. If you'd like to keep exploring other adjustments and component changes, Stay tuned to our entire Fitting for Comfort series. If you have any questions or concerns, our customer service team is more than happy to help and can be reached via email at the address in the description below. Remember, if you want that one-on-one guidance, you can also book a New Era owner fitting appointment on our website. And that's all for this one, guys. We'll see you next time.